Hello, Vachavadi. Welcome once again to the lecture number next of chapter number second. Is matter around us is pure. Here, what we have studied in the previous lecture, we have studied so many things that homogeneous, non-homogeneous, mixture, compound, and we are on the place of the various separation process. Here, in that we had already completed the some of the process. Now we are in the left things. What the things are left, we are on there. This is Sufyan Sarved explaining you the science with the easy way. If you are searching the video in the Google, in the YouTube, go in the particular search section and write it Sufyan Sarved or video by Sufyan Sarved, or you can write it Sufyan Sarved. Then also you can find the some of the videos. Okay, now we are in the process of the evaporation. Clear? So what is evaporation? We mainly know that what is the evaporation. Let's discuss about it. That for separating a mixture of non-volatile and volatile. Clear? So difference of physical properties, what one is volatile and another is a non-volatile. So the mixture of the salt and water, so one is then volatile and another is non-volatile. Clear? So what is that? When the mixture is heated with any of the burner, so the vapor form is gone upside. Clear? This is our mixture of water plus salt. Clear? When they heat, the water is going to be converted into the form of vapor, and the residue left behind the water is what? Salt. So from this we can separate the salt and the water. Now crystallization process. Both the process are almost same, but the thing is different that this process is done with the burner, but this process is not going to be done with the burner because we need some the crystal form. The substance we need is in the crystal form. वो हमें crystal form में ही चाहिए. So how this process is done? Okay. It is a process of cooling a hot concentration solution of a substance to obtain a crystal is called crystallization. Okay. This process how we can obtain? In the particular sea, clear, the sea water is in the salty form. Over there they are making the one big hole. If the water is fill up in the particular hole, now what happened to that hole? For some days the heat from the sun is come over there, वो पानी होगा evaporate होता जाएगा. Behind that the left residues are in the form of the crystal. Okay, bacha party. So for that it is named as a crystallization process. Clear, bacha party? So both are the same, but difference is that one is providing the heat and another is providing through the sun. Okay, so here we are providing the burner and here with the use of the sunlight. Okay, here is that what salt and the sea water. Clear? Now that separating for now. But actually the question arises in our mind that why we need this different type of process? क्यों चाहिए? एक से क्यों नहीं कर सकते? हमें एक चीज पता है, we know one thing that जब जब किसी चीज की लिमिटेशन आती है, कुछ नई चीज का निर्माण होता है, like if there is a coronavirus is come, now the vaccination is made. पहले से सब हमें पता नहीं होता. So if there is a limitation comes, we are establishing the new process. Clear? So here is a separating funnel. What is that? To separate two immiscible liquid. Now what is that immiscible liquid? Okay, let's take example of that water. In the water, if we put the oil, we can find the drops of oil on the layer of that water. So at one layer they are separating. Clear? So how we can separate it from that? So let's look at over here. So difference property is what? Difference in physical property is this immiscible liquid. Clear? How we can particularly separate it? This is our board. This is our separating funnel. Over there, this is our water and this is our kerosene oil. We know very well that kerosene oil and water are not going to be mixed to each other like sugar, salt, water and lemon juice. Okay, so this is our kerosene oil and this is our water. They are separating at one boundary point. Here they are separating. Now what we have to do? We have to just use the stopcock. Okay, when you press it the stopcock, the water is going to be split it from this portion. This process is done up to till that the water is going to be collect in the one different beaker. एक अलग beaker के अंदर जब तक ये water collect ना हो तब तक ये process stop को दबाए रहना है. ठीक है, ये सारा इधर आ गया तो उसको छोड़ दो. Then we can find that kerosene oil also in the different portion. Clear? Kerosene oil अलग मिल जाएगा, water आपको अलग मिल जाएगा with the use of the separating funnel. Clear बच्चा बड़ी? Now what is the distillation process? Okay. Distillation is the process of separating two or more mixable liquid. Now the question arises in our mind that sir, okay, no problem, we have the immiscible liquid, but now what next if we have the mixable liquid? How we can separate it? और मिल गए लिक्विड एक दूसरे से, अब उसे सेपरेट कैसे करें सर जी, क्या करेंगे? Okay, look at over here. What we have to do it? We have to always watch it for difference in physical property. जब जब कोई अपराध होता है, मुजरिम सबूत छोड़ता है. Like that. जब जब ये दोनों मिक्स करते हैं, तब तक कुछ ना कुछ आपको फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी कुछ ऐसी मिलेगी जो हमें आइडेंटिफाई करनी पड़ेगी. Like a CID. Clear? So by observing this, we had find that all the things are same, so they are mixing. But one thing is that their boiling points are always different. Boiling points difference, okay, sir ji. So from that, we had made one process, that is the distillation process. Over there, we are finding that, or we are separating the two different things. Okay, let's take one example over there. Acetone, clear? Acetone and the water. Okay, difference between the acetone and the water, there is a boiling point. Clear bachcha bati? And the boiling point difference is on an average there is a 44 degrees Celsius. Clear? There is a difference between these both is 44 degrees Celsius. Clear? Now what we have to do? We have to just take one distillation flask. एक distillation flask लेना है. Over there we have to just place it the mixture of acetone and the water. Clear? Now what we have to do? When we heat up, clear, we know that boiling point of acetone is 56 degrees Celsius, so they can boil hurry up. वो जल्दी से boil हो जाएगा. Boil होने से क्या होता है सर? easy है, वेपर में कन्वर्ट होगा ना. Okay, so here we are applying the chalk and the thermometer. So from thermometer we can get it that okay 56 degrees Celsius. हाँ 56 हो गया तो बंद नहीं कर देना है, कंटिन्यू रहने देना है. क्लियर? So over there we can find it that now the process is going to be a start. So at the 56 degrees Celsius, the acetone is going to be evaporated. It is gone at this canal. Clear? The vapor is gone to this canal. Now this is the condensed process. Over here we are just applying the cooled water. ठंडा पानी देंगे. Why? Because vapor is in the hot form. So to convert the vapor into the liquid, we have to just reduce the temperature of vapor. So how we can reduce? With the help of the cooled water. Clear? गर्म पानी और ठंडा पानी को मिक्स करेंगे तो क्या होगा? टेम्परेचर रिड्यूस होना शुरू हो जाएगा ना. The same thing is going to be happen. So the acetone is then converted into the what? Liquid. Clear? So here the liquid is going to be collected of acetone. And here the water is collected. क्योंकि जब तक water boil होगा तब तक क्या हो जाएगा? acetone तो यहाँ पे collect already हो चुका होगा. Clear? Because there is a huge difference between the 44 degrees Celsius. तो जब तक पानी boil होगा तब तक तो ये निकल भी जाएगा. Clear? So this is the distillation process बच्चा पार्टी. Okay, write down your book or take a screenshot. So next slide is about the frictional distillation. We had not drawn the diagram, but you have to draw it. I will show you the diagram because of the lack of the time. I had not drawn. इट कंज्यूम टू मच टाइम फॉर योर वीडियो के लिए टाइम कंज्यूम कर लेगा अगर मैं यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर दूंगा तो। क्लियर, मैं आपको समझा दूंगा डायग्राम थ्रू। क्लियर, सो फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन इट इज सिंपल एज द डिस्टिलेशन प्रोसेस। डिस्टिलेशन जो है वही फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन है। तो सर इसकी क्या जरूरत? I had told you before that if there is a limitations का जब कोई चीज का निर्माण करना है तो कब होगा? It's depend on the previous thing. There is the limitation. Clear? So over that there is a limitation. Which limitation is that? Okay, look at over here. Fractional distillation is a process of separating two or more mixable liquid with the difference of boiling point less than 25 Kelvin. This is the most IMP thing. This is a physical property is what? Boiling point. Okay, both the physical property are same, but here's the conditions giving that on which time we have to apply this process. This process is applied for the both the particular things have less than 25 degree Kelvin. Boiling point between the difference of two substance on their boiling point is less than 25 degree Kelvin. On that time we can apply the fractional distillation. Okay, let's take one example of the acetone and the ethanol. Acetone we know very well that 56 degree Kelvin, 56 degree Celsius, and ethanol is 78 degree Celsius. The difference is the 22 degree Celsius, and we know that it's a 25. So we can use this process. How? Okay, let's do the diagram. Take out your page number from your textbook, that page number 22. You can observe it over there. Clear? Okay. Look at over here. So here we have to just burn. We have to use the burner. Here is the mixture of acetone and the ethanol. Clear? After that, when we apply the heat, this is the one simple thing is known as fractionating column. Fractionating column. Clear? Why they are using? It's a simple like a calcium carbonate. अब वो पत्थर के टुकड़े भी समझ लो इस टाइप का है. Why we are using? Here is the difference between the boiling point is 22 degree Celsius. So जब भी गर्म होगा 56 तो ये ऊपर जाएगा, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Before go through and collect out this portion, the another ethanol is also start to the boiling point, तो वो भी आना शुरू हो जाएगा. Now why we are using this? Because when we using this, the higher energy of the vapor go directly to this side, and we know very well that the 78 degree Celsius is not reach over there. अभी तक 78 डिग्री नहीं आई है, मीन्स वॉट इथेनॉल के पास उतनी एनर्जी नहीं होगी. सो दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू दिस पोर्शन, वो इसको धक्का मार के इधर नहीं आ पाएगी. बट एसीटोन हैव टू मच एनर्जी, तो धक्का इसे दे के यहाँ पे आ जाएगी और यहाँ पे सेपरेट हो जाएगी. विद द यूज ऑफ फ्रैक्शनेटिंग कॉलम वी कैन सेपरेट इट बोथ द थिंग्स. क्लियर? तो एक क्या हो गया, बीच में एक बैरियर आ गया, मीडियम आ गया कि जिसके पास हायर एनर्जी होगी वही जा पाएगा. क्लियर? नाउ another process is the chromatography. Okay, so what is chromatography? We will look it over there. Okay, to separate the solute that can dissolve in the same solvent. Now here is the given that to separate the solid to dissolve in the same solvent means what? That there is a one solvent only and there is a too much amounts of solid are there. एक से ज्यादा amount of solid आपने mix कर दिया है. So what is that physical property? Okay, so difference in physical property is that solubility. Clear? कौन पहले अंदर dissolve हो गया उसके बाद कौन means how much time they consume to dissolve in particular solvent. Clear? If you applying the sugar, clear? तो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. If you applying the salt, तो थोड़ा तुरंत हो जाएगा. Means what? If you are using the more than 2 or 3 solute in particular solvent, then it depend on their solubility. कौन कितनी speed से होगा. Okay. What is the diagram? Look at over here. That This is the water containing beaker. Yeah, this is the water, and we are using that paper which have the capacity to observing the water. So one is that paper we are using. Okay, now at this portion we are applying the dye color. इंक डाल देंगे, कोई भी इंक डाल दो ना आपके पास हो. Now what happened? Now this observing the water observe करेगा and they reach to this point. Clear? After that वो कलर के अंदर क्या हो जाएगा, ये देखो कैसे स्प्लिट हो रहा है. This type of thing is happen, means what, which thing is present in that ink, that we can observe it by this process, that with the different type of color. If you had seen the movie, I don't remember that name of that movie. Over there is one scene over there that when we wash the cloth on that time, at first time the color of the cloth is purple or dark violet. Clear? After the washing the cloth, they convert it into light violet, then it is converted into the blue. After 1 second when we wash it, it is converted into the white. Means what? From the bleaching powder डायरेक्ट नहीं बनता, वो बहुत सारी चीज इंक्लूड उसमें करते तब वो बनता है. क्लियर? सो वो वॉश करने से, वॉश हम किससे करते हैं सर? पानी से करते हैं. सो दिस टेक्निक इज दैट वो अंदर जाएगा और सोलिबिलिटी जिसकी ज्यादा होगी ना, मतलब तुरंत अंदर पिघल गया, दैट्स कम ओवर दिस पोर्शन. द पोर्शन विच है वो लेस सोलिबिलिटी, वो ऊपर की ओर आएगा. क्लियर? वी हैव वन डायग्राम आल्सो प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर दैट okay, here you can observe it. This is a glass, this is a spot of ink, and this is a strip of the filter paper, and this is one of the jar. Clear? So this also we can do it at our home also, chromatography process, but we must have that paper that can observe the water. एक ऐसा पेपर होना चाहिए जो वाटर को ऑब्जर्व कर सके, तभी हम ये पॉसिबल कर पाएंगे. क्लियर? Now the centrifugation. What is centrifugation? In the physics there is a centripetal force is there. What is centripetal force? Centripetal force ये है कि the force which bound the things, वो पकड़ के रखेगा अंदर की तरफ. फोर्स अंदर की तरफ लगेगा ना, that is a centripetal force. लेकिन फोर्स अगर आपने एक डोरी ली, उस पे पत्थर बांध के घुमाया, clear? And when suddenly the thread is break down, what's happened? The stones comes towards to you or go forward. forward चला जाएगा उस तरफ. Means what is a centrifugal force, जो सीधी की ओर जा रहा है ना, एकदम एक साथ. Centrifugal. Okay. What's the things? It is a method for separating the suspended particle. Which particle suspended? Means the particle which is in the particular portion, clear, of the substance from a liquid. Here we have substance, liquid substance. Over there is a suspended particle. This process is using in that, in which the mixture is rotated. This is important. Mixture is rotated at high speed. Clear? In a centrifugal. Centrifugal is one type of the machine which you can see in the pathology lab. Clear? So over there, when they are using your blood and testing your blood, and they are making the reports that how much particular platelets, white blood cell, red blood cell, plasma is present to your particular blood, they are using the centrifugal. Over there they are placing all the blood cells और एक साथ घुमाएंगे. On that time जब कोई भी चीज घूमती है तो क्या होती है, अलग हो जाएगी. So when the force comes in the particular blood, the particle which is very heavy they settle down, वो नीचे की तरफ आ जाएंगे, और जो पार्टिकल लाइट हो गया ऊपर की तरफ आ जाएंगे. So they can separate it both plasma, particular platelets, RBC and WBC. Even that you can use it that how the milk, from the milk cream we can make it the cheese, butter. वो कैसे करते हैं? कनिंग की मदद से. There also the high speed centrifugal घुमाते हैं ना. Clear? So this is also the centrifugal method. Clear बच्चा बात? Now one another method is also given in your book, that which is that we will understand through the diagram. We don't need to use that particular writing portion. Okay, what is that? Look at over here. So here is that air. Clear? This is the air. When we applying the air over this side, we have to use that word pressure, and we know very well that when we apply the pressure, the temperature is going to be reduced from the air. But when we apply the pressure, the gas is converted into the word liquid, that we had already studied in the previous chapter, that particular LPG gas. Clear? Now but there is not a too much pressure, बहुत pressure नहीं है जिसकी वजह से वो liquid convert हुआ. Clear? And we know very well that in the air there is a presence of what? Hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Clear? So the air is still hot, so it comes to here, and once again they comes to this portion. But on this tube we are applying the freezing. ठंडा पानी यहाँ से जाने देंगे, ठंडा पानी ऊपर की तरफ जाने देंगे, तो क्या होगा? ये ठंडी होगी, तो एयर जो गर्म है वो क्या हो जाएगा? ठंडा हो जाएगा. Now the air is become cool down. So in the air there is a presence of carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is converted into the dry ice. We know very well that carbon dioxide in the solid form, it is converted into the dry ice. अब क्या बचा? नाइट्रोजन, आर्गन, ऑक्सीजन वो बचा, वो इस तरफ से आएगा with the use of jet spray. फोर्स से लिक्विड इस तरफ आएगा, एयर लिक्विड इज कम्स टू दिस साइड, एंड विद द डेंसिटी, द नाइट्रोजन density is very less, so it comes from this portion, and the argon density is very high, it comes from this portion. Clear? So in the air there is lots of things present, but what we are taking, the things which is in the good amount, ज़्यादा चीज available है वो oxygen, nitrogen, argon and the carbon dioxide. Applying the pressure, still the air is hot, so it is gone through this, and here we are applying what? The cool water, so it is converted into the liquid form, this air, and this cooled compressed air is comes to this portion, then air is converted into the carbon dioxide, is converted into the what? Dry ice. Clear? Solid dry ice, and the rest of the things is with the use of the jet we will throw it over this portion. Now the nitrogen density is very low, so it comes to this portion, and the argon density is high compared to nitrogen, it comes to this portion. So which thing is comes? Carbon dioxide, argon, the nitrogen is already come, so left is oxygen, so oxygen comes in the liquid oxygen. Clear bachcha? So this is the what? This is the separation of the components of. Now another process is about the preserver, that how we can find the clean water to our house. घर पे clean पानी कैसे आता है? इसकी मदद से आता है. At the reservoir there is collection of water. Now with the sedimentation tank over there, to allow the solid to settle down, over there we are holding the water, the solid is settled down over this portion, and the rest of the water is comes to this, but still the impurity is over there, so we will loading the tank, वहाँ पे हम भरा हुआ पानी रहने देंगे, उससे क्या हो जाएगा? Rest of the impurities comes to this portion. Now we are just flowing the liquid on this portion. Clear? But still there is impurity, so what we are doing? We are using the filtration tank, filtration process. So from the filtration the water is going to be clean, but the water is clean but the germs is still over there, so what we are doing? Just using the chlorine gas. Okay, so chlorination is chlorination name of the process. We are using the chlorine gas to kill the bacteria, and after that the water is comes to our home. Clear? So why we are not use this diagram and these notes in the board? Because this is not come in the mostly not come in the exam. This is for our understanding. Clear? And समझने के लिए, क्योंकि ये फर्दर आपको बहुत यूजफुल होगा कि आप ड्राई आइस कैसे आपको मिल रही है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड किस तरह से आपको मिल रहा है. क्लियर? आप रेड कलर का आप देख रहे हो ना, जो आग लगती है वहां पे यूज करते. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स ओवर दैट. तो किस तरह से मिलता है? तो ये प्रोसेस से मिलता है. इवन दैट हाउ वी कैन फाइंड द लिक्विड ऑक्सीजन ऑल्सो. दिस इज द प्रोसेस. Here we had completed the whole lecture and the whole chapter. Go through the note, even that go through the particular chapter one time to read that chapter. With the use of the note, you can understand each and every portion. Here I had explaining you the easy way to understand all the things. This challenge that you can understand each and everything. हर पॉइंट आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा बारीकी से, बहुत इजी से आपको समझाया हुआ है. Tune with us. This is Sufyan Sarved explaining you the science of chapter number standard 9. Clear? Stay at your home, do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents. Goodbye.